Boxing Day shopping on UK high streets and in shopping centres was starkly quieter this year compared to last Christmas, as many people opted to stay home and shop online instead. My name is Jack Rivers and welcome to this week's episode of Tax Tidbits, where footfall on Boxing Day was down by 6.2% on high streets and 4.2% in shopping centres compared to 2023. Major retailers like John Lewis and M&S opted to remain closed to give staff a break, and shoppers said they were feeling tired of endless sales with discounts starting as early as Halloween. As always, the rising costs for running physical stores and the tighter budgets for customers also played a part in the reduced shopping. So did you manage to snag some discounts on Boxing Day, or did you open your shop only to be disappointed by the lack of footfall? House prices rose by 4.7% in 2024, with the average home now costing £269,426, according to Nationwide. The market stayed remarkably strong despite affordability challenges, with prices rising the most in Northern Ireland and Northern England, and terraced houses rising the fastest. However, prices still remain below the peak we experienced in the summer of 2022. It will be interesting to see how the upcoming changes to stamp duty and inevitable changes to interest rates will shake up the housing market this year. Water bills in England and Wales are going up by an average of £86 from April as part of a 5-year plan to upgrade infrastructure and cut sewage spills. Over the next 5 years, prices are expected to rise by £31 a year, not including inflation, so it's likely that bills will actually rise by more than this. Southern Water customers will see the biggest jump, with bills rising 53% by 2030, meaning the average water bill will rise to £642. While the increases aim to improve water quality and services, critics argue that they will burden struggling households, with at least 40% already having trouble paying. The UK government is now asking the car industry for input on how to phase out new petrol and diesel cars by 2030, after Labour reinstated the deadline that had been extended to 2035. The consultation aims to clarify the rules and fines for manufacturers not meeting targets, and to tackle issues like the high cost of electric vehicles and the lack of charging points. While EVs now account for 1 in every 4 car sales, many people find them too expensive or hard to charge, which is slowing down the switch to EVs and making it difficult for some manufacturers to meet targets. Teachers across the UK are facing significant delays in getting pension valuations from teachers' pensions, some having waited over a year already due to a backlog of requests caused by rule changes and complex calculations. Despite the government's goal to clear most of the backlog by February, around 2,000 teachers are still stuck in limbo. This delay is impacting crucial personal matters such as finalising divorces and remortgaging homes, leaving many teachers frustrated and unable to move forward with their lives. That's the wrap for today's instalment of Tax Tidbits. I hope you have enjoyed this week's news highlights. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and join us again next Thursday for our next episode.